Let's have a look at some examples involving groups and regions of the periodic table. Let's look at some examples of elements on the periodic table. We are going to determine if each is a metal, a metalloid, also known as a semi-metal, or a nonmetal. Mercury, Hg, is atomic number 80. It is a metal. Iron, Fe, is atomic number 26. It is also a metal. Neon, Ne, is atomic number 10. It is in the nonmetal part of the periodic table. Germanium, Ge, is atomic number 32. It is part of this staircase, so it is a metalloid or semi-metal. Uranium, U, is atomic number 92. It is part of the metals. Hydrogen, H, is atomic number 1. It is the only nonmetal on the left side of the periodic table. Calcium, Ca, is atomic number 20. It is part of the metals. Antimony, Sb, is atomic number 51. It is part of the staircase elements, making it a metalloid or semi-metal. Bromine, Br, or atomic number 35, is a nonmetal. Tungsten, W, is atomic number 74. It is a metal. Notice how all of the metals are on the left side of the periodic table and all of the nonmetals are in the right side of the periodic table. And then in between those is the staircase elements, which are the semimetals. Now let's look at some examples of elements and the specific groups they belong to. Chromium, Cr, is atomic number 24. It is in the transition metals. Argon, Ar, is atomic number 18. It is in the last column of the periodic table and is a noble gas. Potassium, K, is atomic number 19. It is in the first group of the periodic table and is an alkali metal. Iodine, I, is atomic number 53. It is in group 17 and is a noble gas. Silicon, Si, is atomic number 14. Since it is on the staircase, it is a semimetal or metalloid. Strontium, Sr, is atomic number 38. It is in group 2, making it an alkaline earth metal. Palladium, Pd, or atomic number 46, is in group 10, making it a member of the transition metals. Xenon, Xe, is atomic number 54. It is part of group 18, making it a noble gas. Fluorine, F, is atomic number 9. It is part of group 17, making it a halogen. Rubidium, Rb, is atomic number 37. It is part of group 1, making it an alkali metal. Notice how group 1 is the alkali metals, group 2 is the alkaline earth metals, groups 3 through 12 are the transition metals, group 17 is the halogens, and group 18 is the noble gases. The staircase is the metalloids. Everything above and to the right of the staircase makes up the other nonmetals group, and everything below and to the left make up the other metals group. Now let's look at elements from the periodic table and determine whether they are in the S, P, D, or F block. Titanium, Ti, is atomic number 22. It is in the middle portion of the periodic table, which is the D block. Plutonium, Pu, is atomic number 94. It is at the bottom of the periodic table in the F block. Cadmium, Cd, is atomic number 48. It is in the middle of the periodic table, so it is part of the D block. Sulfur, S, atomic number 16, is to the right side of the periodic table in the P block. And thorium, Th, is atomic number 90 at the bottom of the periodic table in the F block. Magnesium, Mg, is atomic number 12 and is in the left side of the periodic table where the S block is. Nitrogen, which is N, or atomic number 7, is on the right side of the periodic table in the P block. Krypton, Kr, or atomic number 36, is also on the right side of the periodic table in the P block. And finally, sodium, Na, or atomic number 11, is on the left side of the periodic table in the S block. Notice how the S block is the first 2 rows, the D block is the next 10 rows, and the P block is the last 10 rows, with the F block being at the bottom of the periodic table.